Hello viewers, I hope you are well. Today I will show you how to resize images in Adobe Photoshop. You can learn by watching the whole video. If you like the video, please comment and share. Those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe to receive new video notification. Let's get started. At first you have to open Adobe Photoshop software in your computer, then add a image into this software. For that you have to click here, double click, and location, image location, open image location. I have an image desktop, and this is my image. So open it. This is an image. You can resize image by many ways, but I am showing you only two ways to resize image. This is a toolbar. Here many option. A option, this option, crop tool. The name of this tool, crop tool. By this tool you can crop or resize, and its box here, measuring box here. You can measure your image, or you can resize your image by here. Write the number 1, white 1, and height 2, and resolution 300. By this measure you can crop this image. So put the crop icon here, and pull down, pull down. you can you can make it big by pulling here, and after pressing enter on your computer keyboard, it will be resized, and it will be resized. You can resize it other into other sizes. uh, we are coming back by pressing Ctrl Z. You can resize this image by other way. Here this is menu bar, and here a option, here option image, below image size, a option, an option. Click image size. Here the dimension of this image, write your desired numbers. I am writing white 800, and height 12 1200. If you tick this, if you check this box, it will be automatic by white or by height. If you write here 1400, and white automatically will be written by height. And if you write white 800, and hide automatically will be written here, and click OK. You can write resolution here, resolution, this option auto, uh, resolution 300, and OK, and here OK. But after you write resolution 300, this measure has been increased, here. So I am writing 133, and this measure will be, and this measure has been written here. So okay, and thus the image will be resized by these ways. So I hope you have learned to watch this video, and subscribe to my channel to get next video notification updates. Thank you for watching this video.